Hello and welcome to Dubai Trains and welcome to this layout update video, a very special one because I have an announcement to make. And after that, we're going to go a little bit into what we can expect for the rest of the year with regards to progress on the layout and projects I have scheduled still to do this year. So let's first get to the exciting announcement, and then I have designed a laser kit, and it's one that you can buy at home, and it comes with a free video guide on how to build and assemble every single detail. And you probably already guessed it, this is the kit. Yes, it's a kit designed and manufactured by ITLA Scale Models. What I did is I took the standard components that he has and came up with this structure and all these different various components and added these details and basically the ensemble that you see here. And now you can buy it and make this at home with the free videos that I have provided on my website, how to make every single detail. And the fun thing about this kit and the videos, to get back to that, is that this is a modular system. So you can make a 3-story building and then maybe a second 2-story building that you place somewhere in the back of the layout or on top of another building. And you can make it in this wedge shape, as I did. You can reverse the wedge to put the longer pieces there, or you can make it like a stepped building where you come forward a little bit here and then sideways and then back ways again, or you could just make it straight at the back. There's so much you can do. And then the great thing is with the videos that they're applicable to all the ITLA Scale Model products. So I do a video on painting brick, so that's applicable to all the brick videos. And here for the ducts, you can apply that to the ducts for this kit, the HVAC system, but you can also apply ducts from ITLA Scale Models and place that on other buildings. And the same with the brickwork, with the concrete, everything I do here and the staircase is all applicable to the products that you see on the ITLA Scale Models website. So have a look there, have a look at the product, have a look at all the products. So now when we're going to do a little lap over the layout, the best thing is that you're supporting an SME business, and one that I believe is really trying to push the model building that we know forward one detail at a time. Just to be totally transparent, I'm not getting any commission or anything off. If he sells one or if he sells 100 of those models, for me, it's all the same. And I think that is very important, is to support the SMEs that you believe in that are doing good. Same as I did with the iOS Scale Engineering Squealer. Great product, small company. I want to put them in the spotlight, so I did. So back to, that's the kit. Enough said on the kit. ITLAScaleModels.com. Have a look. Link is down below in the video. So what can we expect this year? The remainder 2 months. This treat is finally going to be finished. This has just really kicked my butt, this project. And now that I'm assembling everything, almost done ish. I know why, because we have asphalt, we have concrete sidewalks. Again, sidewalks from ITLA Scale Models. Great looking products. We can just focus. So we have the ITLA sidewalks. Asphalt mentioned that. We have the cobblestones. Then we have all these wooden planks that I did as well. And then we have the concrete. So that's, what is it, like 5 different materials in this one project. And the cobblestones are so tedious. They do come in a sheet. So I think I shared some pictures online and some people were like, whoa, you laid all the cobblestones? Like, well, I did lay them all, but I might have cheated a little bit. But still, you have to be oh so careful because you can only cut once. And like here, it has to fit in between. So you really have to measure it. You have to be oh so careful. It's not glued in place yet. So we're going to have a video on that. I have 2 amazing kits coming up, especially custom made. I'm not going to surprise anything on that. I'm not going to say anything on that. Other than one of them might be this enormous curved building right here. That's probably also going to be about yay tall, as they would say. So that's going to be a wall of bricks. That's going to be amazing. And we have that Walthers kit. It's going to come somewhere over here. The Walthers furniture, hardware, something. And then, of course, we have the signals. So if we just fly over here, whoosh, point down to a box, How interesting has my channel become? And we have all the parts that I need for the signals. It's all here. I also got this 4-core wire. I think I need that. I don't know if I need that. I think I need that. And I got some color-coded wires because I do want to somehow make it in a way that I don't lose track of myself. We have a bunch of timers. Yes, these are all from the old interwebs. And that's going to be interesting. And some push buttons. So to actually make the signals do something. And then we have one 3-aspect signals for 2 directions. And then we have another 2-aspect signal way over there for 1 direction for traffic coming into the yard. And then here we have another 3-aspect signal gantry. It's a bit crooked. Let's see if I can fix that. That just looks terrible, isn't it? That's just how I bought it. So I think I'm just going to shimmy it the bottom and oh well. So another 3-aspect signal for 2 tracks in 1 direction. So that's another project I want to get working on. And I'm going to explain as well how I came up with this signaling system. It's a mix of prototypical, not too complicated, and something I can also make. And yeah, I think that will be great results for this year, because this room was empty just 1 year ago. So we already did quite a lot. So I'm just going to call it a day for this video, guys. Thank you guys all for watching. ITLAskillmodels.com. Have a look. The link is down below. Bye-bye.